In this video, I am going to show you a quick solution that if your microphone is not working or you're unable to see this kind of waves in the recording, no matter whatever you have tried plugging in and plugging out, and you have fixed the wires multiple times. You have also tried some other USB ports as well, but nothing seems to work. Don't worry, don't panic. We have a quick solution for this. First of all, even if you check it here, it seems everything is fine, but most of the times the settings is pretty simple. What you can do is just go to the start menu and right here control panel. You head over to the hardware and sound, and then you click on sound. Once you click on sound, you need to head over to the recording. Under the recording, you will find your mic. It's right here. But let's just say that if it is this mic and it seems to be not working, you just double click on that, go to the levels and just uncheck this option. It's that simple. You uncheck this, click OK, and after that, everything should work perfectly. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.